Hello guys, so this is where we left off, right? So we're gonna go right, like that. Anyways, let me just bright up this. Oh, it's already bright up. Never mind, it's just already bright up. Ooh, that was not there before. It was not there before. It looks like a worm. But I'm not going to do nothing to it because I think if I do something to it, it's going to kill me. Wait, did I just notice something? Jumbo Josh's body is gone? This is bad. Jumbo Josh's body is gone. Ooh. This is the green slime of his thing. But that don't look like him. Is that the giant cat the first from earlier? No way it was. Like from part 2, the giant kept the fiddles. You remember that? Anyways. Let's just do here. Oh. Fiddle, so I did bump into the wall. Hit the button. Hit the button, Fiddles. Yeah, name him Fiddles. I'm not gonna forget his name. His name's Fiddles. Why did the chair... Why did it move? Why the chair won't let me move? It's just a chair. It's just, I'm not reading all that. So that's why I just this does not look like a room that I'd like to be. It has doors with key cards, but we don't have it. Probably the red door. No, that's probably the orange door, actually. Another one? You don't have that. I sworn we had that key card. Or is it like a different... Or is it like light blue? Hit that, Fiddles. And now this is the last button. Oh shoot! Wait, who's that? It's the bird.
In here.
It's the freaking bird. Oh, he's still alive! Ow! Emilio! Emilio, please save me! Oh my God! Oh my God! How is he alive?
Everyone, I want you all to welcome our newest student.
What?
You're late to class.
Not student.
I'll let it slide this time.
I'm saving my children.
But be late again and have a repeat of pieces.
Anyways, at least you saved me.
You're a new and unpopular student, so you will have to sit with the unpopular table in the middle. Now sit so we can begin.
Okay, alright, let's sit. Good.
Okay, class. So, the first lesson of the day is math. Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and...
These guys are not
wait,
gonna talk.
I made a mistake. I think that's lesson 4 of the day. For math. Over the course of the semester, you will learn to add, subtract, divide, multiply, and so much more. I am so excited.
Alright, this guy.
Before we start, let's revise some of the basics.
Alright.
What is 6874123612
That's not
plus
basic.
9819399912?
That's.
And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished.
Are you serious? Really smart kid.
78560635524. Correct.
That's correct. Oh.
You kids are really paying attention today.
You did not your teacher.
Next question, and one that I wrote myself. What is 2 plus 2?
Super easy. Smart kid. Smart kid.
Correct.
can't pick the same
Wow,
one, right?
I thought everyone would get it wrong. Alright, last question before your lunch break. What is misery plus disappointment?
I'm not gonna pick weird.
Twilight. Correct!
Oh my god!
Unfortunately, that's
my
all
life.
the time we have for math for the day.
It's like my
Go
it's
to your
like
lunch break,
my
and
life
then we'll
is
start the
dead.
next lesson when you come back.
That's what it's like. Right. Oh! Are you serious? Can we go behind her? Oh, we can. These chairs bamboo. Oh, you gotta get him some gum. We're the cool kids, and we chew gum. Get us gum. Alright. Why? Oh, get us gum for money. So, they're the cool kids? Are they bullies too? I think they're not bullies. They're just cool kids. There we go. And, oh, one more. That's how many gum I found. That's how many gum I found. Can I get the money? Thank you. Alright. And you want to say this twerp? Give us your lunch money, alright? Oh! Thank you. Alright. Oh, that's his friends. So I just got a glasses. Yeah, all that for glasses.
Attention everyone.
Bam, bam.
This announcement concludes your lunch break. Please return to your classes.
Okay.
Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student, believed to be accompanied by a drone.
What?
If you catch them,
No.
call Principal Banban's office immediately.
No fiddles. Alright.
Hey, you didn't see the person they're talking about, did you?
Nope.
Oh, what am I saying? You're one of the cool kids. Of course you don't talk to ugly, unpopular kids like them. Take a seat with the cool kids where you belong.
Batman.
Okay, kids, the next lesson is science.
Okay.
Like we did for math, and since this is the first science lesson of the semester, it will only be a review lesson. But first, let me introduce you to our classroom rules. No eating, no talking, no breathing, no moving, no asking questions, and no washroom breaks. Remember, I will have to punish you very, very harshly if you break any of those rules. Back to the review. Let's start with something
Gotta
easy.
be a kid.
How hot is the sun?
You're right. Pop your kid.
Nothing's as hot as me.
I just got it wrong. Is that loud?
I'll allow it, but only because it made me laugh and because you're a cool kid. I can tell by your very cool glasses. Next question. How many hearts does an octopus have?
Sea like flower?
Stingerflint.
I got
Correct.
a secret.
That's half right, since Stingerflint is close to an octopus.
I got
He's a
it.
jellyfish. But I'll allow it, since you're a cool kid.
Oh, she a lot
Normal
of
octopuses have 3 hearts. We humans have 1. And Stingerflint has... I'm not sure actually, but let's move on. Next question. We have 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, touch, and...
Loud kid. Loud kid. Sorry, yours?
Correct! Oh, you just made me use my 5th sense. Close enough. I'll allow it. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for science for today. Go on to your second break, and then we'll start the next lesson
Fourth
when
to
it's
take
over.
degree. That might not make any sense. Alright. That was different. You want to join us, Poke? Give me some lunch money. Alright, we gotta steal these noobs' lunch money. Alright, that's great. Steal people's lunch money? That's not great to be. That's not great to call. Alright? Fatal out. Give me that. He's a bully too. I'm stealing the bully lunch money too? There are 2 bullies? Or 5? I already grabbed all your money. Oh, this one. Forgot about that. I opened this. Just for a baseball. With the new kids? I think we are the new kids.
Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your second break. Please return to your classes.
Alright.
Oh wow! 3 new kids in one day?
No, I'm the same kid.
1 unpopular kid? Yuck. 1 cool kid and 1 mean kid. Welcome! Sit on the table to your left where you belong so we can begin.
Alright, let's begin. Let's do it. Oh.
Okay, kids. The next lesson is health and kindness. Just like we did for math and science, it will only be a review lesson. Let's start with some common knowledge to freshen your stupid brains. Can anyone here give me an example of an unkind person?
That's kind of...
I will beat you to death.
Alright, that just...
Correct.
That's perfect.
That is a perfect example. Good job. Assuming it wasn't directed at me, of course. Now, this time, can anyone give me an example of a kind person?
We already did this one. Me kid, pagan?
I will give you immense pain.
I got
Correct!
What?
Exactly! Giving others things without expecting anything in return is exactly what kindness is. This class is going to be great. I can feel it.
The imbecile.
Wait, what was that?
Oh.
I wonder if it's a
Yeah,
new
what's
student.
that?
Nobody move while I check it out.
I was like, hello. Alright, we gotta save this classroom right now. Let's get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Save. Fiddles, we gotta save. Hit this button, Fiddles, and we gotta go. Open the freaking door. I'm not staying in this. I'm not staying in this class forever. I'm not even.
No! Not again!
Oh shoot! She's
I actually
chasing me.
tried to be a
my
good
God,
teacher
oh my
this
God.
time.
Oh my God! Open the door! Open the freaking door! Ah! Open the door! Open the door! Ah! All right. Ooh. I'll just go this way. All right. I'm going this way. All right. Capture the birds in them in the nest. Alright, we're just gonna leave off here. All of the keepers. So we're gonna leave on here, guys. So bye. So bye, guys.